Hello everyone, friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will examine the tough crash tests and safety technologies of Xiaomi's groundbreaking SU7 and SU7 Max models in the automotive world. This vehicle challenges those who say, will an electric sedan come out of China? Here is a real safety monster. Xiaomi, which has revolutionized the world of electronics, is now also ambitious in the automotive sector. The brand, which entered the electric vehicle market with models such as Xiaomi SU7, takes safety as seriously as performance. Crash tests conducted in cooperation with CNCAP and CATARC, China Automotive Technology and Research Center, the most stringent test centers in China, reveal how durable Xiaomi vehicles are. Advanced safety technologies used in tests. Ultra-high-strength steel and aluminum body structure, 360-degree radar and lidar sensors, ADAS 2.0 advanced driving assistance systems, automatic emergency braking AEB, lane tracking and collision avoidance systems, up to 8 airbags. International safety standards. Xiaomi's electric vehicles target not only Chinese, but also European and American test standards, such as Euro NCAP and IIHS. Xiaomi develops its vehicles according to these tough safety criteria in order to be assertive in the global market. Xiaomi, their cars attract attention not only with their technology, but also with their high-level safety and structural strength. These comprehensive crash tests clearly demonstrate the brand's seriousness and long-term vision in the automotive sector. So, how much does all this technology cost? Xiaomi is practically brandishing a sword by offering the SU7 20% cheaper than the Tesla Model 3. Do you think Chinese automotive giants can take over Europe? Write in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.